Have you ever thought that you could strengthen your weak muscles and bones with tiny seeds without spending money on expensive medications? Yes, in today's video, we're going to talk about 9 incredible seeds that seniors should definitely include in their daily diet. Some of these seeds are extremely affordable and easy to find, and their benefits are scientifically proven. Make sure to watch the video until the end, because we'll also explain how to use these seeds correctly, the common mistakes you should avoid, and the best combinations to boost their effects. So, let's get started. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. If you often feel tired, experience pain in your legs or muscles at night, or your joints feel stiff, this might be due to a deficiency in magnesium, zinc, or protein. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of all these nutrients and can be a powerful natural tonic, especially for older adults. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds helps strengthen bones and relax muscles, reducing weakness. They also contain zinc, a vital mineral that supports wound healing, new skin formation, and a strong immune system. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are rich in healthy fats that keep your joints flexible, reduce stiffness, and help lower inflammation. This can often help reduce swelling in areas like the back, knees, or hips. Using pumpkin seeds is quite simple. You can sprinkle a tablespoon over your soup, add it to your salad, or mix it with yogurt. That small amount is enough to get all these amazing benefits. However, be careful not to cook them over high heat or add too much salt, as this can destroy their nutritional value. For even greater benefits, combine pumpkin seeds with collagen-rich foods, such as bone broth. Next on the list is sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are often eaten as a light snack, but in reality, they act as a superfood for adults. They contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in your cells. They're also rich in phosphorus and magnesium, which help strengthen bones and lower the risk of fractures. Additionally, the selenium in sunflower seeds supports cell repair and reduces inflammation. Eating just 1 tablespoon per day is enough to enjoy their benefits. You can easily sprinkle them on any meal, and the best part is, it doesn't take any effort. Just remember that fried or overly salted sunflower seeds are less beneficial, so for maximum effect, try eating them with foods rich in vitamin C, such as lemon or orange. Number 3. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are incredibly beneficial for collagen production, bone strengthening, and improving joint flexibility, especially in older adults. They may be tiny in size, but their benefits are truly massive. For centuries, sesame seeds have been used mainly to strengthen bones. They contain a high amount of calcium that is easily absorbed by the body. In addition, they are rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, and phosphorus, all of which are especially important for bone and joint health as we age. Their lignin antioxidants naturally help reduce inflammation and protect joints from damage. To get the most benefit, lightly roast the seeds and then grind them, because whole sesame seeds sometimes pass through the body undigested. For maximum calcium absorption, consume them with vitamin D-rich foods like eggs or mushrooms, so that the calcium can be delivered more effectively to your bones. This simple habit can help reduce knee pain and general body weakness in older adults. Number 4. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are now widely used to repair muscles and combat tendon fatigue. They're unique because they contain high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, something rarely found in plant-based foods. As we age, our body's ability to repair muscles declines, leading to a gradual loss of strength known as sarcopenia. Hemp seeds offer a natural way to counter this process. Balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which helps improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and strengthen joints. They're also rich in magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are essential for bone formation, nerve health, and collagen production. Eating just 1 tablespoon per day is enough to enjoy their benefits. You can mix hemp seeds into drinks, soups, or yogurt, and they work best when combined with lemon juice or any food rich in vitamin C. And don't worry, hemp seeds are completely safe. They won't make you high, and many older adults use them regularly for their health benefits. Number 5. Flax seeds. Do you often wake up with joint pain or stiffness, or find yourself getting tired more easily than before? If so, flax seeds might be exactly what you need. They're rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the joints and muscles. They also contain soluble fiber, which helps cleanse the digestive system, balance blood sugar levels, and improve the absorption of minerals. In addition, flax seeds are a great source of lignans, natural compounds that have mild estrogen-like effects and help strengthen bones. This makes them especially beneficial for women after menopause, when bone density tends to decrease. To get the full benefit from flax seeds, always grind them before eating, because whole flax seeds often pass through the body undigested, wasting their nutrients. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed into water, a drink, or soup and consume it daily. You can also soak them a little to make them softer. For additional benefits, try combining them with turmeric or ginger in any warm beverage. Number 6. Chia seeds. Most people know chia seeds as a food that helps with weight loss, but in reality they're a superfood for muscles and bones, especially for older adults. They're packed with high-quality plant protein, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which help strengthen muscles and bones. What's even more impressive is that chia seeds contain more omega-3 fatty acids than some nuts and even certain types of fish. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the joints, improve blood circulation, and repair small muscle injuries, which are common in seniors. Chia seeds are also rich in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and deliver nutrients to the muscles more efficiently, speeding up recovery. However, it's important to soak chia seeds in water before consuming them. When you soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for about 20 minutes, they form a gel-like texture that helps cleanse the stomach and enhance mineral absorption. You can mix soaked chia seeds into smoothies, soups, or yogurt, but avoid mixing them with sweetened drinks or sugary fruit juices, because the trapped sugar can ferment in your stomach, causing gas or diarrhea. Chia seeds don't just provide energy, they also support digestion, aid in weight control, and promote heart health. Number 7. Fenugreek seeds. Not everyone is familiar with fenugreek seeds, but they have been used for centuries to relieve pain, swelling, and fatigue. Fenugreek seeds contain natural compounds that help strengthen muscles, reduce joint swelling, and reinforce bones. If you've noticed your muscles getting weaker, have trouble walking, or experience bone pain, fenugreek seeds can be a natural solution for you. These seeds are rich in plant-based proteins, saponins, iron, and phosphorus, all of which are beneficial for muscle and bone repair, especially in older adults. They also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve joint pain and improve mobility. Interestingly, fenugreek seeds also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially helpful for people with diabetes or insulin resistance, whose bodies may struggle to absorb nutrients effectively. An easy way to consume them is to boil a spoonful of fenugreek seeds in water and drink it once a day like tea. Alternatively, you can soak the seeds overnight and add them to your salads or soups in the morning. They do have a slightly bitter taste, but their health benefits are truly remarkable. For extra muscle repair and protein support, try mixing fenugreek seeds with plain yogurt. It enhances their nutritional value and makes them easier to digest. Number 8. Poppy seeds. Often sprinkled over baked goods or pastries, poppy seeds are actually a hidden treasure for older adults, helping to strengthen both bones and muscles. They're rich in calcium, phosphorus, and zinc, which support bone density and help prevent bone weakening with age. One of their most remarkable components is linoleic acid, a type of healthy fat that helps reduce joint inflammation, lubricate the joints, and keep them flexible and smooth, preventing cartilage wear. Poppy seeds also contain high-quality plant protein that supports muscle repair, making them especially beneficial for people who eat less meat or experience age-related muscle loss. You can enjoy 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds by sprinkling them over oatmeal, fruit, or bread in the morning, or mix them with raw honey to create a natural tonic. Just make sure you're using edible poppy seeds, not ornamental varieties. For even better bone support, combine them with vitamin K-rich foods such as spinach or kale, which help increase calcium absorption in the bones. These tiny seeds can help your body stay strong and resilient for years to come. Number 9. Black cumin seeds. Nigella sativa. Black cumin seeds are beneficial not only for digestion, but also for increasing muscle strength and supporting bone health. Thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, black cumin seeds help reduce muscle swelling and provide relief from chronic fatigue and pain. Black cumin, also known as Nigella sativa or ajwain, is a good source of calcium and iron, both of which contribute to bone strength. If you experience lower back pain, knee pain, or muscle weakness, consuming black cumin seeds daily can help restore internal strength. These seeds also help boost metabolism and support the body's natural healing processes. They can be consumed either boiled in water or ground into powder form. How to use them correctly? The main question is, how can we get the maximum benefit from these seeds? First, avoid mixing seeds into bottled or processed fruit juices. Instead, eat the whole fruit and chew thoroughly. Consume seeds with water, unsweetened tea, plain yogurt, bone broth, or vegetable dishes. Avoid mixing more than 2 types of seeds at once, as this can be hard on your digestive system. Secondly, consistency is key. You don't need large amounts. Just 1 tablespoon per day is enough to experience the benefits. And remember, these seeds are not magical, but when used properly and consistently, they can help restore your body's strength, balance, and energy. Let us know in the comments which of these seeds you're already using and which ones you'd like to try. Thank you for watching our channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.